How do I know that God has accepted me? Well, I don't trust in his sacraments. I don't trust in baptism because I don't think it does anything. I don't trust in the Lord's Supper because I don't really think that is Christ's body. I don't really think that is his blood. It's just bread and Welch's.
Yeah.
Makes it even worse. But so I have to replace it with something.
Yeah.
And so I replace it with zeal. Or I replace it with financial sacrifice. Or I replace it with volunteerism. Or nowadays the big thing is I replace it with desires for social justice.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah, talk to him.
That's
real, though.
that's the thing now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Simply because, well, it actually does two things.
Yeah.
If you're on the right side, you're innocent. If you're
Everything.
You know, you are innocent, you are pure, you are spotless, because the only sin that's in play is this social sin.
Yeah.
This sin of how we treat one another, which, of course, in violating, you shall love your neighbor as yourself, that is a big thing.
Yeah.
We need the church to remind those who are seeking for the good that it is found in Christ.
The study.